Alright guys, these Yeezy pods are so comfortable, but don't buy them. Let me tell you why. Alright guys, so I'm about to try them on and so you can see for yourself. So it's like putting on these. That's what they do. That's it. Obviously a little bit too big. You see it from the back. See where So what's up fam, thanks once again for tuning into the channel. This is KIXPLORE where we talk everything about sneakers, lifestyle, travel, and a little bit of everything in between. And I've got the really infamous footwear that, you know, a lot of people have kind of heard of or not heard of. If you know who Kanye West is, very infamous. Well, he was very popular. He's become infamous. He's a really interesting fellow, if I must say myself, especially with the kind of stuff that all the antics that he's doing now. I mean, like the only real reason why I still got these is because I thought it would be a really cool like video to actually make. When I finally got the stuff from the Yeezy website, so I got these, the AirPods. I got the Vultures merch, like this one. I got the white and also the black kind of cut off shirt, and I also got the pants, which have no freaking pockets, which is so freaking annoying. And the drawstring of the pants is exactly like these things here. It's like the ripstop material. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's basically just string, like really stretchy string that you have sometimes at the bottom of your the hem of your pants to kind of tighten it or cinch it. And but it's like a worse version. I got all my stuff probably, I think it was a really long time. It must have been 4 or 5 months after I initially purchased it from the website. I think I was pretty fortunate to actually get it because a lot of the stuff, like everyone was like hating on it, but everyone was buying it, which is really weird. Mainly because I think people just wanted to buy it because Kanye West did fulfill his promise of you know, making really cheap clothing or cheap sneakers, like $20 for like so that everyone can wear his merch. I mean, it's like it's a roller coaster of like a marketing story or whatever you want to call it. These Yeezy pods, I'll show you guys. Don't know why I haven't got. It's basically just a sock thing, yeah. But the whole story about it was that these came out for like $200 at the beginning. It's just for like socks with some plastic pod parts on as an outsole. He also made that really weird phone vlog video as a marketing campaign for the Super Bowl.
Hey y'all, this Ye, and this is my commercial. And since we spent all the money on the commercial spot, we actually didn't spend any money on the actual commercial. But the idea is, I want you to go to yeezy.com, yeezy.com, and I'm gonna write it at the bottom of the screen. And I got some shoes, and that's it.
That was crazy. It's crazy smart, but also really weird. He didn't really have to spend any money on the actual making of the video. All he did was just like, oh, he promoted himself and that was it. And he sent it over. You probably had to pay for the slot in the Super Bowl. The video that he put up was so short, so funny, and yeah, it's just like, people can call him a marketing genius, or like, I don't know if it's a fluke or anything like that, but it's just crazy how yeah, the way that he gets around, it works, but like how, you would wonder how does that work, but it does. And anyways, after that he decided to drop all these other pieces of clothing, like the Vultures merch that I'm wearing now, and Yeezy pods, but then he dropped it all to the like a very cheap price. So these went for $20. These were 20 Australian dollars. So it was the shirt, the pants, everything that you could buy on the website, on his website, was only $20. So it was like amazing. So the first time I saw it, I was like, oh, there's no way there's going to be any available. And lo and behold, when I went onto the website, there was heaps still available. So I was even actually able to have free range of choosing my size, which was crazy. So like, yeah, I bought some. So I got the size 2, which when I looked into the sizing was, I think it was 8 to 10. That's the sizing for this 2. So if you got a bigger foot than that, you'd have to go for a 3 for these. And but I was wondering, it's like, oh man, I got a weird looking foot. Like my right foot is fatter than my left foot. So I was just wondering, oh man, my feet look at it weird in these and everything. But then I kind of lost all interest after a while, because obviously it took forever. Like I thought I was gonna wait 2 months, right? But oh my gosh, I had to wait like 3 or 4 months, and I just like stopped waiting. I mean, I ended up paying like the shipping was crazy. The shipping was $80. The shipping was $80 for this. It was so crazy. I heard it was like more expensive for other, like, other countries and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I was like getting messages as well, like asking, "Oh, have you got your Yeezy pods and all that kind of stuff?" And I didn't. Like I was still waiting. So and then yeah, when the stuff did come, I was like kind of, when I pulled them out, I was just like, okay, all weird sizing, all weird cuts for the actual clothing, which was really weird. But but that's what it is. That's what kind of Kanye West does. He does make very interesting clothing, and if you look at it, man, it's so interesting. Some of the stuff, it's like so minimal, especially the production, probably cost that they did, because it's literally just, they just cut holes in the shirts to kind of get like the hole for your head and for the arms and for the bottom. Oh man, it's just like a weird shape overall. I still really like it, especially as a like a gym shirt. Oh, it looks freaking sick. So I really like it. I'll probably use it for basketball and everything. But the pants was a, I don't know. I like the whole shape of it now, especially because the whole wide leg kind of trend is really, happening right now. So it kind of looks okay, especially with like, really chunky shoes or anything like that. But no pants, and the drawstring as well. Once again, the drawstring of the pants is this material, this ripstop material. Oh, it's so horrible. I hated it. It's so hard to keep your pants up, and the pants are huge, right? It's so hard to keep your pants up. And then when it came to these as well, surprisingly, these are really, really nice. I actually really, really like them. They, how do I say this? They feel obviously just like a sock, like compression socks, right? But with protective, like outsole parts, if that's what you can call it. That's literally all it is. And at the corners, you can see that they're just like kind of glued on. Really, really, I don't know, man. Manufacturing for this probably was very, very cheap. But hey, lo and behold, to what his word was, he fulfilled it. And if you haven't tried these on, they are comfortable. Okay, other people will like bag this and ridicule this, but it is very comfy. And I mean, it's not the most conventional or functional thing to put on, especially as a sock, because if you're gonna go out and wear this, it's really hard because you have to actually pull this up really, really high. It's got a little bit of a outsole design, very minimal, straight lines going throughout the whole thing right there. And yeah, that's just basically, it's so looks like almost like really long socks. And yeah, This is probably really nice. Oh, actually, yeah, this would probably be nice in the winter time. But I just don't know when you'd wear these. When would a good time be to actually wear these? Where you go camping, maybe. Yeah, like and other people ask, do you wear socks with this on the inside? I definitely would wear socks. Because just in case, because especially because it's winter, I wear socks under these, and if I wear them, I usually tuck my pants into the end part there, or else I just like let them all scrunch down like this. So yeah, it's really weird. Did I get my money's worth for 20 bucks like this? I definitely did because it's 20 bucks, and it's only $20, and it's very very comfortable. I have to admit. There's no inner lining. There's no like insole or anything like that. Yeah. Oh, okay. So there is a little bit of an insole. You guys can't see it, but on the inside of this, there's just one piece of material that connects both of them on the inside of the sock. You can see here they're not connected, but you can even feel it here on this kind of area here. There is like an insole right there, and it's really I don't know, it's very unique, I guess, in a way. And a lot of people will be hating on this, but it's really weird because right after Kanye West introduced this, guess there were so many new really like dupes of this by all the bigger brands. Yeah, you can hate the guy, but man, he's definitely got like people get a lot of inspiration from him either way. And there will always be people that will still get his merch and all his clothing because even right now, man, that guy is like still around, man. He's like doing really crazy stuff, but he's still around. I know he said a couple of bad stuff, but yeah, he's still like influential in a way, which is really really crazy. But that's just how the world we live in works. But yeah, should you get these? I probably would say don't get them, even though they're really comfortable and all that kind of stuff. But it's just like, when would you wear it? I have no idea. I can't even think of an idea like a time where I would really wear this. And maybe if you got a ninja like costume party happening, perfect for those. But other than that, oh man, they're just gonna stay in the bag and probably just really, really wait for a perfect time, but well, a time you can wear them. But I just don't know when they're gonna come. So I'll probably keep these with me, just like the rest of my other Yeezys that I've been collecting. Let me know in the comments if you actually would buy these. It's just like, oh man, these are freaking crazy, y'all. Well, if you have worn this out, let me know in the comments below. I would really, really like to know. Anyway, guys, thanks once again for watching this video. Definitely true to size. If you ever are looking for this, if you're really interested in actually getting this, yeah, I think it was 8 to 10 is a size 2. And don't ask me about the closing size because I still don't know. I got the 2 and my large, and I just don't know if it's too big or too small. It's both. It's too big this way, it's a little cropped this way. So I don't know which, how to figure out the sizing. Anyway, guys, thanks once again for watching this video. I hope you learned something about this and about Mr. Kanye himself. If you do like it, please give me a like. If you like the content in general with all the stuff that I'm doing, please consider subscribing to the channel. Anyway, guys, thank you once again for watching. Hope you have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.